In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP LaserJet Pro M305dn printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there. The moment you have seen it, please copy and paste it here in the Google Chrome. So open your Google Chrome and navigate to the address bar and paste the link that you have copied. So once you have pasted it, click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see this kind of window. So here you need to scroll down, and here you'll be able to see installation, software, and full or basic driver supports print and scan functionality only. And there you can see the full software solution. So click on this download option aligning to it. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. So wait until it be downloaded. Once completed, please copy and move that here to the desktop. Oh, see? Okay, so once you have copied it here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with the WinRAR and go with extract to. So wait until you'll be able to create a new file folder, okay? So which contains the drivers. So once it's here, we will now move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. The moment you click on it, wait until it would be ready for you before we continue. Now here at the settings, please proceed to the left side of that and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Once you find it, there you can see the third option called printers and scanners. Click on it. And here you can see there add device. Click on that one. And wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, please click on add manually, and in a few moments you will be able to bring up another window where you can find a printer by other options. So please proceed with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. So once you have selected the correct port, you need to click on next, click on have disk, and click on browse. Okay, so here in this locate file, you need to locate the file or extracted file. So go with the desktop, scroll down, and there you can see our extracted file, double tap, and you can see there any of these drivers. Select the first one, click on open, click on OK button, and eventually you'll be able to see that one. Click on next, and please rename that into 305 DN. Once you're good, you can now click on next button and you can now start the installation. So please wait until this would be completed. Okay, so once completed, you can now click on next, click on finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Pro M305dn printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.